Assalamu Alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. In this episode, we'll witness Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, historic arrival in Medina and how he laid the foundations of a peaceful and just Islamic society. When the Prophet arrived in Medina, the people greeted him with joy, chanting Tala al Badru Alayna. His arrival was more than a migration, it was the dawn of a new era. The city, once known as Yathrib, was now Madinah al-Nabi, the city of the Prophet. Before entering the heart of Medina, the Prophet stopped in Quba and helped build the first masjid, Masjid Quba. It was a symbol of unity and community, and even today it holds great reward to visit. Upon entering Medina, the Prophet purchased a small piece of land to build Masjid an-Nabawi. He personally took part in the construction, laying bricks and setting an example of humility. This mosque became the center of spiritual, political, and social life. To strengthen the Muslim community, the Prophet established bonds of brotherhood between the migrants from Makkah, Muhajirin, and the residents of Medina, Ansar. They shared homes, wealth, and support, showing true Islamic unity. The Prophet drafted the first written constitution in history, the Constitution of Medina. It guaranteed religious freedom, justice, and mutual defense between Muslims and non-Muslims. It was a landmark in human rights and coexistence. Under the Prophet's leadership, Medina became a model society of peace, equality, and worship. Justice was applied equally to all, and mercy prevailed. The Prophet's arrival in Medina marked the beginning of a new civilization. A just and inclusive society was built on faith, brotherhood, and law. In Episode 8, we'll explore the early battles faced by the Muslim community, including the Battle of Badr and how faith triumphed against all odds. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and stay with us on this life-changing journey through the seerah of the greatest man to walk the earth, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.